Hey guys, welcome back to Profit Guru. Today I am going to do some retail arbitrage. So my plan is to hit up Big Lots and TJ Maxx because they're right beside each other. And then I'll head to the other part of town and go to Ollie's Bargain Outlet. So hopefully we can find some good things in store today because typically I like to shop online, but it's always fun to go and actually look for the deals inside of the stores. So if you do not already subscribe to our channel, make sure and subscribe. And also I want to link down below. We just created a new free Discord. So that is a great place to meet other sellers, build a community, and to network, ask questions, answer questions. So right down below, click that link and hop into our Discord and let's go shopping. So at Big Lots, the makeup can be pretty good. So we're going to start here. So I like to use the Scoutify 2 app, which you get free with Inventory Lab. And when you scan the product, then it will come up here and it will show you what the buy box is. And then it also shows you at the top the price you need to get it for and the profits you'd receive. So this eyeshadow costs $3, but we can see that Amazon has the buy box and they're selling it for $3. So that's no profit. So e.l.f. products sell pretty good. So I would definitely do name brand products like e.l.f. So sometimes when you scan a product, you'll also see that there could be a thumbs down. That means that the listing isn't really good. It's not a good seller. But I can see here that this has a thumbs up. So that kind of tells me that this could be a good product. So if I put in my cost price, then I can tell that there's no profit to be made, negative $1.66. All right, so this is $8. So we'll put in $8 for the cost. And now the net profit tells me that this is going to make $5.91 every time it sells. And then I also like to use the Amazon Seller app. So I'll scan it in there and then we'll click right here. At the top, you're going to choose if you're merchant fulfilling or fulfilling by Amazon. So we'll do Amazon fulfilled because we do FBA. The low listing price is there. So now we're going to put in the cost of purchase here. And then using this, it tells me that this highlighter is going to bring back just over $4 in profit every time one sells. So next we found this product and it makes $3.50. But when you check it on Scoutify, up here you can see the rank. And it's only in the top 14%, which isn't really well. The BSR is in 3 million. So that means you're going to be sitting on this product for a long time before you even sell it. So always check that to make sure that it has a good rank. That tells you how fast it's going to move. Something else that I like to do is be on the lookout to find different wholesale distributors. So if I find a product that seems cheap and I know I could get it even cheaper if I open up like an account with somebody, I look on the back of the product and then I'm going to take a picture of where it says distributed by. Find the distributor, and then I'm going to check their website and reach out to them to see if I can open up a wholesale account with them. The cheaper no-name brand stuff like this that sells for just a couple of dollars, I don't even waste my time on those because they're not really going to ever make a profit on Amazon. And if they do, they're probably really slow movers. So I skip those and I stick with name brand stuff instead. You can also see the sales rank when you're using the Amazon Seller app. It was 267,000. That is not a fast mover at all. Sometimes when you scan the barcode on something, so you're going to want to do that barcode on the back. But sometimes when you do that, it might say that it can't find the product. So in that case, what you'll want to do is take a picture of the product instead of just the barcode. And then sometimes if it still won't bring it up, you'll just want to go back to cancel. And then right up here at the top of the add a product, type in the name instead. So I typically like to just scan the barcode of products, but what's going to happen is all of the listing that product is in, you're not going to see them all. You're only going to see the one with the barcode associated with it. So it definitely is more worth your while to actually take the extra minute and to type in the product by name and search it that way. You're going to see a lot more opportunities. It might say request approval when you scan something, so click on it. And then right there, the log where it says requires approval, click on that next. And now we request approval to see if we can sell this brand. So it says your selling application is approved. That means now I can sell that brand. Healthy snacks and freeze-dried stuff, that can be really good sellers. So these here bring back a profit of $3.50. But the problem is the rank in grocery is 461,000. So it's a super slow mover. So when I scan this, I scanned the barcode and only one listing came up, and it was the listing for one of these, which didn't make a profit. But then when I typed in the name, I could see all of the listings show up, and then those were the ones that make the profit when you bundle them together. Now we're at TJ Maxx, and something to check out here is definitely the backpacks. Adidas, Nike, Champion, hats, and water bottles. Socks can be very profitable. I recently just got ungated in Nike, so I'm definitely going to be looking for some Nike stuff to flip. So we first went to Big Lots and then TJ Maxx, and now we're at our last stop, which is Ollies. And I say we because there's another pro tip for you. If you have any friends or children, I have a 12-year-old son, you can scan double the amount of products if you bring somebody with you. So we're about to go in and see if we can find anything today good at Ollies to resell. Tons of books. There's a lot of food at Ollie's, but you're definitely going to want to be careful because the expiration date, I find anyways, it's not far enough out. It does not give you enough time. Some things I've bought here expire in like 2 or 3 months, so definitely be careful if you're sourcing food at Ollie's and check the expiration date really close. Definitely check out like the office area with all of the different notebooks, things like that. My very first time sourcing, my very first product that I found that made a profit, and it was actually my first product that actually sold too, I found at Ollie's, and it was a 4-pack of notebooks, Cambridge, and it was a 4-pack of Cambridge notebooks. So office area supplies, that's something that's ungated for a lot of new sellers. That's something that you could definitely find and profit off of. Coffee can sell really well, so that's definitely something to look out for here too. The toys and the board games too at Ollie's, they usually have a really good variety that you can't find elsewhere. So that is definitely something to scan and check. So you generally want to find things that sell for 3 times higher on Amazon. And here's a good example why. This Avengers toy is $13 and it sells for $21 on Amazon. So I thought it might make a profit, but after the cost of buying the goods and then Amazon taking their cut, there's no money to be made. So you definitely want to, if something is selling for $13, make sure it is 3 times higher than that on Amazon in order to make profits back. I definitely remember now why I like to stick with online arbitrage. That's exhausting, like being in the stores and just scanning. We were in there from about 1 o'clock to 4 o'clock in town shopping. So it was a few hours worth, but it's really tiring. I literally feel like I could just take a nap right now. We found some good things, like not a huge volume. And that's why I typically like to do online arbitrage, because online, it's a lot easier, really. I mean, it's not taking as long. You're finding deals. They come right to your house. It's not as exhausting. And you can use all of the coupons. But we were able to find quite a few products. It was a good little load for the day. And a lot of people like to say, well, why don't you show everything that you got? Well, that's because it's sabotage. It's sabotage for me. I sell on Amazon because I want to make a profit. It's sabotage for the other sellers on that listing and for the listing itself, because once too many people start jumping onto that listing, they're all competing with each other, especially newer sellers, and they start pennying. So if someone has listed for $5, the next person goes to $4.99, and then the next person $4.98, and eventually you're just down, down, down. There's no profit to be made. So by saying every little thing that I'm buying and every listing that I'm going to jump on, it's basically going to guarantee that me and any of you that buy those products, you're not going to make any money off of it. So really would not be doing any justice to you by telling you everything that I'm getting. But really what you should get from these are the strategies, you know, the different apps to use, what you're looking for with the rank, what categories in each store to really be honing in on. And I hope that you're able to find a lot of value in this video. Again, if you did subscribe to Profit Guru, because I put out videos every week to teach you guys what I'm doing to sell on Amazon. And again, check out that free Discord below, and I'll see you in there. Bye.